Huh? I wish we seen the bears.
Oh no, oh yeah. Oh yeah, time to get back. Fat fella.
Really good experience and time. Definitely can't wait to book this again for next year. So I decided to step out the house for a few, run over to Fuzzy Tacos with my coworker who I haven't seen since the day of the pool.
What you want?
Yeah. Hey y'all. Welcome to another full week. So basically I'm going to explain to you guys what this vlog is going to look like. So today's date is Friday, Today's date is Friday, June 28th, okay? And so today I wanted to try out this nail polish. So Dollar Tree is now selling this cute little nail polish, literally for $1.25. And I don't have it set up to where. So literally, Dollar Tree now has like these little color vibe nail polishes. This is a gel-like shine apparently. So I'm gonna see if it works, because this is going to be not only a maintenance vlog, not only a vlog before vacation, leading up to vacation, because it seems like I've been able to put out a video every single day. So if you've been rocking with me, thank you and welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. So I'm heading to Myrtle Beach in literally a week. And so we're going July 6th. So that just means we're up and running at, let's just say 7 next Saturday to hit the road. So I'm trying to make it into where I can like make it stretch and not have to really edit while I'm on vacation. So we shall see. I'll probably go MIA. So if you see me go MIA, you know where I'm at. But you can always catch up on other vlogs. But I wanted to see if this actually really worked, because not only do I need to do like eyebrows, shave, and you know, stuff like that this week, I just wanted to go ahead and see if it actually worked. So we shall see. So yeah, I like the color. So I'll either do pink. I also have orange, baby blue, and this type. So I'll do one of the few. Then again, who knows? It's the weekend before vacation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work on decorating the beach pails for this weekend. So I'll show you guys that. And then that's really about it. Everything is packed, everything is ready to go. I'm ready to go. If I could be in Myrtle Beach, I'd be right there. It's 7 p.m. Friday. Yep, it's 97 degrees. Woo, I ain't got no, ain't got me. It's like, y'all, the song been stuck in my head all day long. Blame it on YouTube and Instagram. Yeah, the color's still on and everything, y'all.
So I ended up fixing some pancakes that I had left over from Wegmans. What I did was add some vanilla in it, because a hack is if you want to make the pancake mix better, you just add in some vanilla, or you can add in like brown sugar and other stuff like that. So I added in some vanilla, I added in some sprinkles, went ahead and just made me a Java iced coffee along with these pancakes and some butter syrup. Later for dinner, we ended up having some hamburgers that I had already pre-pattied and smashed down. This is one of the reasons why I already like the patties that are pattied. So I liked my Kinder's burger sauce. Didn't really like my hair too much. Like I told y'all, I was gonna go ahead and re-dye it. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm making it lighter, and as you guys can see, here's the results before I wash it of what it's going to look like. My roots are still black. It's going to end up making it like a orangish yellow, but overall it's mostly brown, and it's actually like straightened or wet. Later, I ended up watching Fire Country, finishing up my dinner from Sunday, and watching Riverdale. The countdown is definitely on, and I've already went ahead and got my calendar ready for July. I'm changing my camera cover to the pink one instead of yellow for vacation, and I'm also going to get ready to make me a iced coffee that I found on Pinterest. Now, this was actually okay, but not the best, so I wanted to give it a try, and it was like, okay. Next, I had something come in from Amazon, and it was for Charles before our trip, and he wanted some Hanes tanks, so I got a 6-pack of tanks, size medium, for like what, $10-15. The next morning I made some French toast, scheduled my engine oil change, and then went to it, and then they said it was like $92. No, that's not what I asked for. So I ended up getting it for $35. While I was there, I went over to CVS and got some headache medicine, some gummies, Airheads, and some candy for Sky, along with Dawn and some air freshener. These are things that we were going to need at the resort. So I ended up making some biscuit and gravy the next morning, along with that Javi iced coffee. You guys can look down in my description box down below to get the code for that, because I am saving money by doing this at home instead of running out to Starbucks or Dunkin' or any other coffee spot. Javi just hits the spot every single time. So like I said, I'm making some country sausage and gravy, and it's simply easy. You just mix that up with some water, cold water that is, and then you add it to the hot water, and it makes your gravy. Now this one has like a little bit of pepper in it, but that's exactly what I like about gravy, the difference. So sometimes I like it without the pepper, sometimes I like it with the pepper, sometimes I just like my food. So the next thing I did was got the spa ready so that I can have a little pedicure and sit back and get ready to do my nails. So I just want to enjoy myself in my spa, and so I put the heat on, and I decided to let this go because I don't put anything in that. I decided to get a separate bowl and put that Epsom salt in. This is like coconut, and just let it like soak in there. This way I can have one foot in the spa and then one foot in the coconut oil.
So it's pedicure day, and I am soaking my feet. The red bucket is just coconut oil body scrub. I'm just using it to soak my feet in because it's Dr. Teal's, and then of course the other foot is in the pedicure spa. So I'm gonna switch off and then basically do a good scrub using my 2-in-1. So this part is going to scrape it off, and then this part is just gonna like make it smooth. I have picked out 2 colors, and my 2 colors are like a teal and an orange. So I'm gonna decide to do probably the second toe one color, and then the other 4 toes the other color. At the end, I go in with that barefoot butter, which is lime and coconut, and then I also use the feet lotion, which is like a peppermint smell.
What I'm going to change for next time, what I've learned, and of course So I decided to paint my toes this blue and orange. Meanwhile, I'll just go ahead and do my nails pink and green. Later for lunch, I fixed me and the kids some Smokies. These are the Oscar Mayer little hot dogs that taste just like the brats. And of course, I wanted to pull out my Dr. Pepper, creamy coconut, and give it a try with my food.
Yeah, Dr. Pepper, creamy coconut, first time trying it.
And Marquise. I know Marquise about to go in. Because Danielle was like, all right.
This hit me. So much maintenance to do for myself before we leave. Like literally just did my nails, so that's done. Toes are done. I need to wax my eyebrows, straighten my hair, which I probably will do this afternoon, so that you know it's straight Thursday, it's straight Friday, and it's straight for when we go down. I also have some things, literally last minute things to do around the house, just like mopping the floor in the kitchen, and then of course to just make sure the load that's in the washer now, as you guys can hear it running, gets folded and put away. And then of course to just double check on all the rooms, make sure everything's picked up and cleaned up, make sure everything's vacuumed, everything is washed and put away, and then of course to get rid of all of the trash. You know what they say when you do it yourself, that of course it's gonna mess up a little bit here and there. So if it messes up before I leave, guess what? Just know I have those press-on nails and I could easily put that on because they do work great. So just a minor scuff, but like I said,
I don't know about y'all, but I like saving my coins and doing my Sally Henson wax at home, especially for like my eyebrows, my lip, and my chin if I choose to. So this is the eyebrow, face, and lip wax. It took a couple tries just to get it to loosen up. But let me just say, once I got started, I was easily able to go. I think it's time I order a new one anyway after vacation, because this one has been in the closet for a while, and I should have just went ahead and went and got them done. But overall, it was a process. I did my eyebrows, then I did my lip, and oh my God. When I say screaming, y'all. It's like so painful. I don't know why, but it's done. So therefore, I went and put that like soothing lotion on each of the spots that I waxed, and then I just decided to get up and go back to my daily routine.
hey y'all, so it's 4th of July, literally 2 days before we leave to go on vacation, and I'm doing my little last minute prepping. So taking out the beads of Sky's hair, gotta wash her hair, put containers away, and then of course like put the dishes away that has been used. I am going to be putting a new wax melt in today to get the house smelling really good before we go. So I'm using the Peach Prosecco. This is by Tuscany. So what I do in order to get my other wax melt to come out is put it in the freezer. So literally I just put it in the freezer, and then what you do is watch it fall out. So yeah, y'all, the grass has been really, really dry. Me and my mom were just laughing the other day about how the grass is as dry as opening up a bag of Doritos, Lay's, or salt and vinegar chips. And then all of a sudden it is just like pouring down. So luckily for 4th of July today, we don't have anything planned because of the simple fact that we will be doing like 1 or 2 fireworks shows while we're on vacation if possible. So they do fireworks shows every Monday at Barefoot Landing, and then they do fireworks at the opposite, which is Broadway at the Beach, I think Wednesdays. So we'll catch it one of those days. But what a great day to start raining when everybody's like, you know, trying to get cookouts together, spend time with family on their days off, blah 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 blah. So anyways, I am doing absolutely nothing. I'm actually watching Riverdale. I just finished some ramen noodles not too long ago. I'm just gonna sit and look at the rain. I just put some oil in my hair because I plan on straightening it. I don't want to leave it curly like this for too long, but I am loving the color now that I went ahead and went a little bit lighter. So it's not like it's orange anymore, but I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this vlog of what it's like the week of me getting ready to go on vacation, and I can't wait to share my vacation vlogs with you all.